Disposal of chemicals. 1. Mix a tablespoon and a half of sodium carbonate into the beaker with the lead 2 iodide and potassium acetate. 2. Place a funnel with a coffee filter in another beaker. 3. Pour the solution into the funnel and let as much of the solution pass through as possible. 4. Carefully pick up the coffee filter and wrap it in one of the gloves or plastic bag. 5. Throw away the packaged coffee filter in the trash and thoroughly rinse the beaker and funnel with water in the sink. All chemicals must be disposed of properly as instructed. Do not consume any chemicals. Respect the experiment. Be sensible when doing the experiment and no horsing around. This is a double replacement reaction in which two ionic compounds exchange the cations or the anions of the two ionic compounds. In this reaction, we have lead 2 acetate reacting with potassium iodide to produce lead 2 iodide as a precipitate and potassium acetate. This is an exothermic reaction. This means that by the end of the experiment, there will be less potential energy in the products than there were in the reactants. This is because energy is released into the environment. The activation energy is the energy required for the reaction to take place, and the energy released is the difference between the reactants and the products in potential energy. Lithium batteries containing silver chromate are used in pacemakers. These devices help maintain the steady beat of the human heart. The silver chromate in these batteries is produced in a double replacement reaction. Solutions of silver nitrate and sodium chromate react to produce solid silver chromate and a solution of sodium nitrate.